Hello viewers, welcome to educators.com. This is Venkatramana Ganji. In the previous session, we were discussing about implicit intent and what is an intent filter, how to set an actions to an activity. Now let us see what is adapter and what are the different adapter views available for us in Android and what are the different types of adapters. So adapter is going to act like a bridge between your data and the adapter views. So this adapter is going to provide the access to the data items, and whereas even it is responsible for making a view for each item in the data set. We have different types of adapter views available for us in Android. So they are as follows: list view, grid view, and spinner view. So the list view is going to show you the list of items. So this is we observe this in our real life very commonly, like for Gmail application, WhatsApp, contacts application. Plenty of the applications are it's a list view format only in our Android, in any Android phone. And the grid view, it is a two-dimensional grid of items. You mostly observe this in your gallery application. And the third one is spinner view. In other language, in other technologies, we call this as a drop-down view, but in our Android, we call this as a spinner view, which is going to select a single from a list of items. So, and we have different types of adapters available for us on Android. So, they are array adapter, cursor adapter, and simple cursor adapter. So, array adapter is going to show the array of details in a adapter view. So, array adapter converts an array of items into a string object, putting that into your text view. So here array adapter constructor is going to take three parameters. The first one is the context. Typically this will be your activity instance, or just like get application context. So get activity if you are dealing with the fragments, or is this. So the second one is your resource ID of a view to use. So this is a predefined system resource, okay, built-in system resource ID. And the third one is your actual array of the details, okay. So these are the three parameters taken by array adapter. And the next one is cursor adapter, where adapter that exports the data from a cursor to the list view widget. And the simple cursor adapter is very easy adapter to map the columns of your cursor, okay, to a text view or an image view or whatever the simple view which is defined in your XML file. And the base adapter, so where we use this adapter to customize your remaining adapter views. What are the adapter views are available for the we have? So mostly to customize your grid view and the list view, we use base adapter. So this is all about your adapter views and the types of adapters. Thanks for watching educators.com. Let's catch up in the next session.